Hi everyone, it's Pamela Moreira coming to you from Richmond, Virginia. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Product Launching 2022 created by Jorge Villa. We're going to go over the bonuses, the sales page, tell you what it's all about, and give you a demo video from the vendor. So let's go ahead and talk about the bonuses. The bonuses are provided by Jono Armstrong. He is my mentor and creator of Ministry of Freedom. He is putting up these bonuses for you guys when you purchase Product Launching 2022, which the link will be in the description down below this video. So let's get started. Bonus number 1 is going to be access to Backlink Warrior, and that's for the first 24 hours only. Bonus number 2 is going to be learning how to get better conversions. Bonus number 3, learn how to explode your YouTube channel. Bonus number 4, Boomerang Buddy Pro. This is a traffic app provided by Jono himself. Bonus number 5, of course, as always, the vendor's bonuses. So let's see. The bonuses have some pretty good value on them too. Like number 3 here, $344.95. Learning how to explode your YouTube channel. Number 4, $267. The Boomerang Buddy Pro. And $46.95 for bonus number 2, learn how to get better conversions. And Backlink Warrior is a value of $427.95. But remember, it's only available for the first 24 hours. Okay? Wouldn't want you to miss out on that. This is Jorge Villa right here, the vendor and creator of Product Launching 2022. We're going to go over the upsells in just a moment. This right here, this is the sales page. How do I grow my list while getting paid and increasing my online reputation? He is pretty much wanting to be a straight shooter and let everybody know exactly what they're going to get. He's not leaving anything to the imagination when purchasing this product. What you get when you purchase Product Launching 2022 is video training that he recorded himself, his thoughts of planning a product launch, a to-do list, how to contact affiliates, planning the copy for the sales copy using artificial intelligence to write the content, getting traffic, what type of traffic, making the JV page, final launching steps, to-do list, techniques on what to do to improve sales after the launch, and a conclusion. You're also going to get 3 full interviews with the Masters of Online Marketing, Mark Gray, Frugal Downs, and Cam Jennings. These are top marketers that Jorge did interviews with. You will have access to all 3 of those. You get a list of Facebook groups for promoting your launches, math tools like a sales stimulator, and a launch investment calculator, a to-do list of things you need to know what to do when you're launching, 30 email swipes for 30 weeks. And this is a great part of the product that I really like, that you get 30 email swipes for 30 weeks to engage your email audience. And then you get videos on how to use everything that he's going to give you. Training videos that he recorded about how to handle the email swipes, what to do with the email list, and how to write proper sales copy. It's not too bad. Pretty good product, I think. I have watched some of the videos myself, and I think that Jorge is very enthusiastic about his product, and I think this product is really good. So let's go into the upsells. Now I want to mention that Jorge's first language is not English, but he speaks pretty good English. Let's just say he's really enthusiastic, and I really enjoyed watching his videos. All right, so and the front end product is only $12.95. I think it's well worth it at that price. The first upsell is going to be Logo Mastery for $49.95, and that is where he's going to create a logo for you. The second upsell is going to be the Magic Support. This is $129.95. However, I think it's well worth it. I do believe that he created Support Magic, and he will install that on your server for you. It's a customer service, like an automated customer service. Upsell number 3, the Copy Master, $447.95, where he uses artificial intelligence to create the copy for your sales page. Copywriting is the key to successful launching. If you don't choose the proper angle for your copy, nobody's going to buy from you, which is true. You need to appeal desire, attention, and catch people in barely 6 seconds, that's true. I would think you would pay someone this much or more to write your copy for you as well. So I think that's worth it. Upsell number 4, the Banner Well, $79.95. He will create up to 8 different compositions with your needs, days to the launch, days to the sale is done, or days for the launching. This will help you to spread the word about your upcoming launch, create a buzz around social media. And the last upsell, number 5, is Sales Design, $279.95. He will create design for your sales pages based on your inspiration or any example that you think is the right fit. He'll paste the copy onto your page where you should already have a website where he can install WordPress with the Divi theme, so he can tweak it and refine it to your specifications. Some of the key benefits. Product Launching 2022 brings you a way to increase your mailing list the proper way, learn how to launch your own products, use the tools he has created throughout the years. He's offering you to download them, learn how to create a product and things you need to do, increase your online reputation, and you can take notes and get ideas from the 3 interviews with the affiliate marketing vendors that he has for you. So that is what Product Launching 22 is all about. The bonuses will only be available till Saturday, so make sure you pick them up with the link down in the description. It's the only way to get the bonuses. And I'm going to set you up with a demo video right after this. So if you like my video and you want to see more of what I'm going to put out, hit the like button, subscribe, and when I put out more videos, you'll get notified right away. Thanks, everybody.